Mom, guess what?
Yeah.
My class is having a story Halloween telling next week. Miss Thomas said we can write about anything, as long as it is not spooky.
Wow, that sounds fun. Do you have any ideas yet?
Maybe a haunted house or a creepy doll story. But I don't want it to be that scary.
Well, we don't want anyone to have nightmares, do we?
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
It sounded like footsteps.
Maybe it's the wind or the house settling.
That's not the wind.
Okay, let's check it out. It's probably nothing.
What if it is a ghost or a monster?
No such thing as monster, sweetie. But come on, stay close.
That toy hasn't moved in forever.
I don't know. Maybe it fell?
Why do you leave me?
Did you hear that? It said, "Why did you leave me?"
Why do you leave me?
All right, we'll leave you right here, right now. No questions.
Mom, what's happening?
I don't know, but we're getting up out of here.
It's gone.
I think so. Maybe it's just a power glitch and our imaginations.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe we'll just go get some fresh air and we'll laugh about it later.